Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file. I changed the name to protect him and I took away his phone number. And he's a doctor, and I don't even know what DC stands for, but medical doctor, PhD, and BS, Bachelor of Science, I guess. I'm not that up on the degrees. But he says the contour tool won't work. He's got Corel 2020, but it does work. So we're going to contour to the outside, just 0.01, give it a little bit of contour. We're going to go up to object and break the contour part, and we're going to move this out of the way. We're going to grab the text and move it, and then grab the contour and move it. So here's our contour, here's our text. My suggestion would be to turn the text black and have no outline. Let's put it back in the box. To me, that looks pretty good, but he wanted like a transparent background. Kind of hard to do a transparency the whole length, and I'm not really good at transparency. So I'm going to make it, instead of screwing around or messing around, I'm just going to make it a pink and have no, let's do it two ways. Let's Control D and make a duplicate, nudge that up or down 4 inches, and let's take away the edge. So now we can see the difference. So I don't know why your contour tool was not working. And it just so happens to be at the back of the page already. That looks pretty cool with the outline. Kind of really easy to read. Let's look at it without the outline. I'm just nudging it. So that'd be your call. Let's bring them both in side by side. I'm going to change my nudge factor to like 3. So it won't put it right on top of it. Now, we can just move it manually. Now, I don't have the text in there. And that's going to be a little difficult. That's why you don't want to ever move anything. You want to, let's see if we can grab the text. Control D, change our nudge distance to 1 inch. Grab our text and move it up. There we go. So the bottom one does not have an outline. The top one has an outline of black. And you can play with that outline and make it any color you want. You could, let's move that out of the way. Let's make, let's see if we can't grab just the text, move it over, and let's make the outline red. Now let's see what it looks like. And you could play around with those colors. He's actually going to print these, so I don't ever really get to work with colors. So you could play around with that and do anything you want. I hope that helped. I don't know why your contour tool wasn't working. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.